Welcome guys. On this video I'm going to show you how to see old pages that you liked. Even though it's 2 years ago, 3 years ago and more, you can actually see them on your Facebook. Now follow this step. Go over to Facebook page and then you scroll over to your profile. You can either click on this your profile icon or you can click on this one right here. So either one, you click and it's going to take you to your profile area. Next, you click on this three-dotted icon next to edit profile. This three-dotted icon right here. Go ahead and click on that. And then you are going to see where it says activity log. You click on activity log to navigate to activity log. Then you notice this area just next to story. You navigate or you swipe left. You swipe left until you see page likes. So you click on page likes. Now on this area, you are going to see all of the pages that you liked. I like this page, this one, this one, this one, this one, and you can see their date right here. So if you keep scrolling down, you can see this is 2022, November 2023 and November 2022. And if for some reason you want to switch to older year, you click on this filter option on the top area. You click on that and then you select date. Now next you choose your start date, which is the first one. You choose your start date. You backdate this to whenever you want. Let's say 2019. I'm going to do, you can actually switch through the month if you want to. So this is March. And then I'm going to go to the end year. Choose, let's say 2023. Okay. And then you click, do not forget you can actually switch through the year. Let's say December 31st. Okay. And then you click on done right here on the top area. Then it's going to show you the pages you like from 2019 till date. I don't think I like so many pages, but anyway, the pages I like are all here and I can see everything. When you scroll down or scroll up, you can see each and every one of them. So guys, I hope this is helpful. And also, if you want to unlike any page, all you need to do is to click on this three-dotted icon next to the page's name. And then you are going to see unlike button right here. You click on unlike and it's going to load up and it's refresh and it will remove that particular change. You notice that page is gone. Even most of this page, I don't actually remember them, so I can unlike whenever I want to. Okay guys, if you have further question, leave it on the comment section. This is the end of this video. I will see you on the next one. Stay safe and peace.